Hello and welcome to another lecture of Adobe Photoshop Learning from Zero to Pro. In this previous lecture, we were learning about the brush tool and its properties. And in this lecture, we will learn about its some advanced property of brush tool or how we can use the brush tool. First of all, let me select some random brush here. I will select this leaf brush. I will change its angle. Okay, let me change it. Okay, now we have the angle set here. Sorry, when we are selecting this tool, you can click here on the brush tool advanced properties. When you click on this advanced properties, you will have some, let me turn off these options, some advanced options here like shape dynamic, scatterings, texture, dual brush, color dynamics, transfer, brush pose, etc, etc. Let me first open up the shape dynamics. The shape dynamics tool allows us to change the shapes of the selected tools. Like I'm changing the size jitter. It means that every shape that comes on the screen have different size. Then it comes the diameter of the shape, angle, what angle the shape will be. You can play with these controls according to your liking. Let me show you. So I will select a brighter color again. Okay. Now you can see every shape has a new angle and new size. If I turn off the shape dynamics, all the shapes have the same size. So that's shape dynamics. Let me undo it all. Okay, control. Next, the option after the shape dynamics is the scattering. You can guess it. Scattering means to scatter all the objects. Let me turn off scattering and all the objects are aligned. When you turn on the scattering, all the objects got scattered. You can control the amount of scatter, that how much scatter do you want to do with this brush tool, or you can count how much objects do you want to scatter. The minimum the amount, the higher the amount according to the need of your document. So let me show this to you. Look, now I'm just dragging in a straight line, but every object is appearing different pixel on different pixel or different location. So the third option is the texture. Texture means what texture do you want to give to your shape. It is not as much handy. The next option that could be useful for you is the color dynamics. Let me clean the document first. Color dynamics mean that I will change the color here. I select the red one. That this shape will have colors according to these two colors, the mixture of these two colors, or starting from the cyan color to the red color. It will have different colors, but all these colors will be made using these two colors. I will change some controls here: hue, saturations, and brightness, and purity, etc. Now I will draw it. Look, these are two different colors. Let me change again. Okay, sorry, my bad. Look, now these have different colors. So it's simple that the main thing that you can use with these advanced properties are the shape dynamics, the scattering tool, and the color dynamics tool that you will choose the mostly or the most. So that's it for the today lecture. Thanks very much. Before going, let me remind you that all the pictures or all the tools or all the reference images that I am using in this lecture and my lectures are wholly solely responsible of their whole solely responsibility or property of their respected owners. I do not own the rights to sell them or to use them commercially. I'm just using them for educational purposes. So thank you very much.